If you find it difficult to download codes from Lovable AI, this video is for you. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you're logged into your Lovable AI account so you can download the codes of projects that you have already created. For example, you're just gonna be on your dashboard, then scroll down here. You're gonna find all the projects that you have already created, or if you want to create a new one, for example, you're gonna find it here, and you're just gonna click on it. It's gonna be here. You're gonna need to scroll down. You're gonna find here code. Click on code. So here are all the codes, but the thing is, if you want to download, you're gonna need to click on here. For example, if you want to download this one, make sure you click on open in code editor. Then you're gonna click here download file, and once you click on it, it's gonna be downloaded to your computer. And that's it. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If this was helpful for you, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.